Welcome to Miss Fairy's reading class. This is Ben. Ben has a dog. The dog is Rex. Ben and Rex play with a red jet. Ben throws the jet. Rex runs fast. Rex jumps high to get the jet. Rex runs back and does not see a rock. Rex fell into a puddle. Rex hurts his leg. Ben hugs Rex. Ben takes Rex to the vet.
Is the vet available? Yes, please follow me.
Put your dog on the examination table.
The vet checks Rex.
Rex needs rest. He will be all right soon.
Thank you. You are
Rex
not well
tries to
yet.
walk. You're not well yet, says Ben. Ben lifts Rex and takes him home. Ben puts Rex on his bed. Rex rests. Ben pats Rex. Rex feels safe. Rex sleeps.
Let's practice reading.
Ben. Jet. Jet. Rest. Rex. Vet. Red. Wet. Leg. Well. Now it's your turn to read. Let's read. Now it's time to read sentences. Are you ready to read these words in sentences? Let's read together. Ben has a pet dog. Ben has a red jet. Ben and Rex play with a red jet. Rex fell in the puddle. Rex hurts his leg. Ben takes Rex to the vet. Rex is not well yet. Ben put Rex on his bed. Rex rests. Now it's your turn. Read all the sentences.
Are you ready for the quiz?
Can you find the word Rex? Rex. Good job. This is Rex. Can you find the word Ben? Ben. Good job. This is Ben. Ben. Can you find the word wet? Wet. Good job. This is wet. Wet. Can you find the word jet? Jet. Yes, this is the word jet. Good job. Well done. You are doing so good. Keep watching the channel and don't forget to subscribe. Happy reading!